Dear Pastor Kevin, on behalf of the King of Peace community, I wanted to share this video from our gathering this past Sunday. We are truly grateful for the incredible work you have done at MCCPB and for the meaningful ministry unfolding in Merida. Your leadership continues to inspire us. We pray God's richest blessings over you as you serve in both places. May this season of installation be filled with joy, strength, and a deep sense of God's presence guiding you and the MCCPB community forward. Blessings, Reverend Ray Sims, Senior Pastor, King of Peace MCC. Congratulations!